morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today, we will learn about letter Q. Letter Q is the next letter after letter P, and its sound is Q as queen. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? In this picture, we can see a queen and a princess in the garden. There are some quails in the garden. The princess has some colorful quills in her hand. Queen, quills, quills are friends of Q. Do you know some more friends of Q? Good job! Quilt, quiver, quarter, question are some more friends of Q. Children, do you use quilt when you sleep? Do you know why do we use quilt? Yes, we use quilt in winter to keep us warm in cold. Quilt keeps us warm. How many quails are on the grass? Can you count them? Right, there are 5 quails. Let's learn to write letter Q. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.